make Android game using AI for free without writing a single line of code yourself. So I was able to create this game, okay, without writing a single code myself, just using AI. Okay, so as you can see, this is the app, okay, that I've installed. So when I tap on the icon, you see that the game is working perfectly fine. You have to make sure that the blocks don't hit the balloon, and that is it. Let me show you how to create yours. Simply install Visual Studio Code, okay, that is VS Code, and then after that come and then create a folder, okay, by simply coming to new, then come here to folder, okay. So this folder, just name it how you want your app name to be. Mine is Balloon Survivor, just like this, and then come to Visual Code and then come to the file and then come here to where you have open folder and come and select it. So over here, come and select the folder that we have just created. Okay, so mine is Balloon Survivor, that is the name of the game, and then come and then click on select folder. So Visual Studio Code is going to load the folder just like this. So as you can see, it is right here. Okay, so now what you have to do is that we have to come and then add a prompt, okay, that we are going to use to build the game. So simply come here to the plus icon, come and click on it, and then over here come and then name it as test. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, so you see that we have added the test file, and then come and then paste in the prompt right here, the prompt that we are going to use to build or create the game right here, just like this. After that, you have to save it. Okay, so to save it, all that you have to do is simply press Ctrl plus S on your keyboard and it's going to be saved. So let me show you how you can get this prompt. Okay, so this is Android app prompt generator. That is what you are going to use to generate our prompt for the game. Okay, so the first thing is to simply come here to where we have the app name. Okay, come and then write in your game name. Okay, just like this. After that, over here where we have the app description, come and then describe your game. Okay, describe it in detail, everything about the game, just describe it right here. And then after that, here where we have the package name, that is the unique name for your app. Okay, so it starts with a com dot, then you can come and then add your name. Okay, so let's say that com dot, then you add your own name to it, dot, then the name of the game. Okay, so just like this. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is simply come here to the theme, that is the app theme, and then styling. Come here to the preference and then come and select the one that you prefer. So I'm going to go with the vibrant blue, and then after that simply come here to where we have the core app features. Okay, come and write everything about the app. Okay, so if it is supposed to be portrait, whatever it is supposed to be, just come and then write it right here. And then the main activity, how the app is going to be, that is the game app, come and then write everything right here. Okay, after that, what you have to do is simply come to the core logic tool and then come and explain how the game is going to be. Just like that, simply come and then click on generate prompt, and then you are going to get the whole prompt for your game app. Okay, just like this. Okay, so when you take your time and then go through, you see that it is a very detailed game prompt that you can simply come and then copy. I have this app, okay, I have it in the video description. You can get there and then get it. Okay, then come and click on copy to copy the prompt, and then come and then paste it right here in the text, okay, that we have just created. Okay, good. And then after that, simply come here to where we have the terminal, and then come and click on the terminal and come and click on new terminal, just like this. So it is going to open the terminal, okay, in the folder. That was why we created the folder first and then we selected it. And then come and then type in Gemini. So Gemini is what you are going to use to build the game app. And then hit enter, and then Gemini is going to come just like this. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is simply come and then write this. So tell Gemini that you have created the test file, okay, and then Gemini should read it. It contains all the instructions about your game app, but Gemini should create a folder for your app so that it doesn't combine the game details with that of your test prompt. Okay, good. And you see that Gemini is going to read everything just like this, and it is going to tell you that it is going to create a folder for your game app, and then it will create all the necessary things that you need. All that you have to do is simply come in and allow execution. So to do that, always press 1 on your keyboard anytime you are asked. Okay, so anytime you are asked, just press 1, and that is it. You see that Gemini will create the full file for your project. Everything without you doing anything. Just pressing 1 on your keyboard. Okay, good. So after that, come and close it and come to your folder, okay, from the desktop, and then come and open the folder that Gemini created. You see that we have everything here. The next thing is that we need our icon, that is the app icon. Okay, so this is my app icon. I have created it. I have a full video showing you how to get it, okay, on my channel. So after that, come and then open Android Studio, and then if you don't have it, just install it. Okay, install Android Studio, and then come here to where you have open, and then come and click on open, and then over here come and then open the folder that we created first. So you will click on it to open it, and then make sure that you come and select the folder that contains your app. Okay, this one. After that, simply come and then click on select folder. So Android Studio is simply going to sync everything for you, your app for you. It's going to sync it without you doing anything. So after I sync it, you see that all the files and folders are here just like this. Okay, after that, come here to the menu and come and click on it. At the top, you are going to see that we have the build. Okay, come and put the mouse on the build, and then come here to where we have generate app bundles or APKs. Okay, come and put the mouse on it and come and click on generate APKs. That is it. Okay, it is going to generate the APK for you. You don't have to do anything, just sit back, relax. Okay, and then one thing is that you have Gemini CLI. Okay, that is the agent right in Android Studio. So if you face any issue, just ask it to fix it for you. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated our APK for us. Okay, and then over here we can simply come and click on the locate. So when you click on it, it is going to show you the APK file. Okay, so this is what you are going to copy and send it right onto your Android phone so that you can install it. So from my Android phone, I have just sent it right here. So I'm simply going to go to the file and then come here to all files. That is where I'm having the APK. Okay, and then come here to the internal storage, and then when I scroll down, you see that I have the APK file right here. So I'm simply going to tap on it, and it is going to install for me. Okay, all that I have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the install. But since it's a new app, Play Store doesn't know the app, so it will ask you to scan it so that it sees that it's a good app. Just come here to more details, come and click on it, and then come and tap on install without scanning. Okay, just tap on install without scanning, and it is going to install your game for you, and then come and click on open. So that is my game. All that I have to do is simply come and then tap on start game, and that is it. My balloon survival game is live and working. Like the video and see you in my next video.